So children, today I am going to explain you how you can make an invisible ink. Okay, in which what you need to do to have lemon juice, or in place of lemon juice what I have taken right now is vinegar. Okay, vinegar. Okay, this is actually an earbud, right? You can take earbud or brush, whatever you feel like writing with. And this is a candle. Okay, and you have, what you need to do is to have a plain sheet of paper, and with the help of the earbud, or you can use toothpick also, you can use brush also, dip that earbud in vinegar or lemon juice. Okay, whichever feasible, or whichever you'll be having at home, and write any secret code whatever you want to write. Okay, right now I think and let it dry for some time. I think you'll not be able to know what I have written, right? Okay, so what you need to do, just wait for it to get completely dried up, and then what you need to do is to light the candle. What I'm going to do is to pass, the paper very carefully. Okay, you can see that I'm not touching the flame. Actually, you can see that there is some portion that is, darkening, and you have to move the paper like this. Okay, you can even iron the paper also if you want to. You are not using candle, you can iron the paper. Okay, and you can find the secret code written. So you can see, you have to be very careful for knowing that what is the secret message written here, right? You can take the help of your elders also, and this is how you have to move your paper. Okay, but don't do this without your parents' assistance. Okay, so I hope now it's clear to you what I have written for you people. Okay, you can see now. Have a nice day. So this activity you can do at your home also, but I'm again repeating that you have to take the help of your elder sisters or brothers or your parents for doing this activity. Okay, don't move the paper. Okay, don't use burning candle by your own. Take the help of your elder, right? This is also an example of what? A chemical change. Some chemical change has taken place here, which is responsible for making the invisible ink appear to you.